Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Tech News. My name is Gaurav and we have three exciting news in this video which are related to tech. And if you are a tech person, if you are a person who likes tech news videos and tech videos, I make tech videos every single day. So please make sure you subscribe. We just hit 150 subscribers. We are very near to hit 200 subscribers as well. So please make that happen. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first news is from MediaTek. MediaTek has just announced the new Dimensity 800U, which is the newest addition to the mid-ranger chipset in the company's Dimensity 800 series. This is the company's system on a chip with an integrated 5G modem and the sixth chip in the Dimensity series overall. This Dimensity series is going to be supporting up to a camera of 64 megapixels primary camera, and this can support a battery of 5000 mAh, and this MediaTek Dimensity 800U series is going to be a mid-ranger chipset. The second news is from Asus. Asus is preparing to launch its successor to the ZenFone 6, and it will be aptly called as ZenFone 7. Asus put up a YouTube live stream for the event of the launch of Asus ZenFone 7, and this will happen on August 26th, that is next week. What's worth noting is that Asus put up this live stream saying that this is for the Asus ZenFone 7 series, which means that there will be more than one phone to unveil in this event. Some of the specs we got to know from the Android authority says that this phone is going to be coming with a 5000 mAh battery, which is going to be supporting a 30-watt fast charging. And also Snapdragon has already confirmed that this ZenFone 7 is going to be coming with the 865 chipset. It's not quite sure which 865, the normal version or the plus version, but Snapdragon has confirmed that the ZenFone 7 is going to be using a Snapdragon 865 chipset. The third news is from Samsung. Samsung has announced a list of devices that are eligible for the updates of Androids for 3 years. These devices include Samsung S series, Samsung foldables, tablets, and A series devices. The Galaxy S series phones that are getting the upgrade of Android 11 are the S20, S20 Ultra, S20 Plus, S10, S10e, S10 Lite, and S10 Plus. So the S10 and S20 series are getting upgraded, but sadly the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus are not getting Android 11, which means that the Android 10 is the last update they're going to be getting. They already got it. I'm still using the Samsung Galaxy S9 and I'm not going to be getting upgraded to Android 11. The Galaxy Note series that are getting upgraded to Android 11 are the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy Note 20, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Note 10 and Note 10 Lite. So the Note 10 and the Note 20 series are getting upgraded to Android 11, and similar to the S series, this Note 9 and Note 9 Ultra are not getting upgraded to Android 11. The Galaxy A series phones that are going to get upgraded to the Android 11 are Galaxy A71, Galaxy A51 and the Galaxy A90. There may be another A series phones that are going to be included in the list, but as of now, these are the only three devices that are going to get upgraded to Android 11. All the foldable devices that were released in 2019 and 2020 are going to get upgraded to Android 11. The tablets that are going to get upgraded to the Android 11 are S7 Plus, S7, S6 and S6 Lite. So these are all the tabs, and these are all the devices that are going to get upgraded to Android 11. So this was all for today's episode. I hope you like this. I hope you find this helpful. If you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And my name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.